Hello, Scouts. Have you ever gotten up early on a Sunday morning and thought to yourself on a camp out, boy, I wish I had a quick, easy breakfast to make that didn't involve a lot of dishwashing and all? Well, I've got a dish for you, and this is called foil breakfast, and it's a foil treat. And we're going to get started right away and make up a foil packet here. I'm going to move my ingredients, which are I'm going to be using eggs, some pre-cooked sausage, some butter, a little bit of hash brown potatoes, some mozzarella cheese, and a little salt and pepper, and some oil for the inside. So let's start with the packet of foil. This is something you don't want to skimp on. Get the good foil. Don't get the inexpensive foil. You're going to have a nightmare. I'm going to rip off 2 sheets about 30 inches, 31 inches. Going to lay them on top of each other perfectly. Going to take and I'm going to fold this perfectly in half. So when I get done, when I fold in half here, I'm going to have basically about 15 inches, 16 inches with 2 pieces thick. Now what I'm going to do is I've got this crease on this side here. I'm going to take my top 2 pieces. I'm going to fold them back, but I'm not going to go all the way. I'm going to only go about a ½ an inch from that crease and fold this down. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to fold it back and line it up with that original crease on the bottom. What I'm doing here is I'm creating a pleat on the bottom of this bag, foil pouch. I'm doing the same thing now on the other side. And what that's going to do is give me some room for expansion when I go to cook. Now I may not have a lot of expansion with an egg breakfast here. But say I was making potatoes and vegetables and ground beef in here and I had added some water, that steam, which is going to help cook, is going to expand the package. Now on the sides, what I'm doing is I'm folding over about 3/8 of an inch to a ½ an inch 3 times and creating a nice little crease. So now what I've done is I've created a nice little package here, double thick on either side, that I can use for my foil breakfast. Now because I'm going to be using cheese and eggs and stuff, what I'm going to do in this case is I'm going to spray the inside with some canola oil. So I just sprayed the inside with the canola oil. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the cheese. Got some food service gloves here. And I'm going to take and add some of these hash brown potatoes right in the bottom. And I grabbed the cheese. Notice I have them labeled. It's a good thing I had them labeled, although I felt the difference in consistency. So here we go with the hash brown potatoes. I'm going to put these in the bottom, just a nice little coating. You could portion this out ahead of time for the amount that you need with your patrol. Now what I'm going to do is I've got some turkey pre-cooked sausage, so I don't have to worry if they're fully done. I chopped these up ahead of time, had them labeled. And I'm going to I made enough for 2. I'm going to put that in the bottom of my pouch here. Now I'm going to take 2 eggs, and I'm going to add the eggs right on top of my, I'm going to use a rock over here to one, 2. So I've got my 2 eggs in the bottom there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and sprinkle some of my cheese right on top. And then to add a added layer of protection there, I'm going to add about a 1.5 teaspoons of butter right to the top of this. So I've got all my ingredients in. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to fold this over, basically do the same thing I did on the sides. What if I was on a camp out and I wanted to be able to mark my meal so I knew if mine was different? I could take some nail polish and I could write my initials on the outside of this. It doesn't matter what color it is. It will take and it will turn black when it's done cooking. clear, you could do that, but you may have more of a challenge as you go to label it. One of the other things that's important to notice is when you pick your tongs, you notice the ones in my right hand here have these points on them. They're going to burst the bag, especially if I had something where that pouch was popping up. I want tongs like this that are smooth, that are not going to rupture the bag. And we're going to move on down to the fire, and we're going to get this foil packet on the coals. So what I just did is I just took and broke down my fire a little bit, because I don't want to be cooking this pouch directly on the flames. What I want to be doing is I want to be cooking this on some coals. And it really doesn't take a lot to do this foil breakfast. Remember, we're using hash brown potatoes. We've got some eggs in there. We've got some cheese and all. And it really doesn't take a lot. I'm going to use my Dutch oven gloves here. And I'm going to lay that right on a bed of coals. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take and I'm going to flip this every couple minutes to be able to distribute the heat evenly and make sure I don't burn my meal. Now, how am I going to eat this foil packet meal? I could do it really one of two ways, in keeping with our trying to have a simple meal without a lot of cleanup. I could take my spoon and I can eat it right out of the package. And now I'm using the package like a bowl. It's one less thing I have to wash. The other thing I can do is I can have some pita bread or pocket bread. It's a very common bread that you can cut open and it has a pocket on the inside. You can use tortillas, or you could toast up some other bread and be able to scoop out the contents of your packet and put it on your bread and eat it that way as well, removing the need to have a bowl or to have a plate or something else that you need to clean up. Think about all the different things you could use. Now, I used the pre-cooked sausage. I actually used turkey sausage because maybe I had some scouts in my patrol that aren't able to eat pork, so I didn't want to use the pork sausage. You can also use beef sausage. I could have just as easily used sliced deli cheese and sliced deli ham or deli roast beef inside this package instead of the mozzarella cheese that I used and the sausage. Quite honestly, I used the mozzarella cheese because it's what I had on hand. I had a package already opened, and I also like the fact that it spreads out evenly. So think about the different things that you could use inside this package, and then also notice how I pre-packaged everything. That's a great way to try to minimize the amount of stuff you're bringing out and make that Sunday morning breakfast a little easier. Well, Scouts, it's been about 10 minutes. I've been flipping this every couple minutes, either side, using my tongs. And I just took a peek in, and not only does it smell great, it looks great as well. Now, one of the things that you could do, and I'm going to open up this packet maybe a little bit more than I wanted to, just in hopes that the camera can get a shot in at that. But you could see how it's all melted together and delicious. The butter's moving around a little bit. I still have a little bit on the yolks. Now I can take now and add a little cracked pepper. I could even add a little bit of salt to it, to my liking. But I was able to, in 10 minutes, be able to have of cook time, a nice delicious breakfast here that you can enjoy either right out of this pouch or on a roll. Important to watch your coals. You don't want a fire that is too hot. You want to be able to maybe have your fire over further if there's a lot of you, and put the coals out off to the side, or cook on the perimeter where the flames aren't as you're creating more coals, and be able to have a nice delicious breakfast in the morning. So this is an example of a nice foil breakfast, a nice way to use foil pouches to add to your repertoire of cooking items that you have on your menu planning list. So I hope this has been helpful. Until next time, I hope you find an opportunity to get out there and have some cooking adventures of your own.